Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now we're joined by one of Jamaica's legends in reggae music, Mr. Anthony B.
Yagayo.
Welcome, General.
Yagayo. That's what he's trademarking. Right?
Yagayo.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's advocating trademarks,
Okay.
right? Today.
Yeah,
So-
Yagayo. So we're trademarking.
Yeah. So you've been very busy though. New music, new video out today and book.
Yeah.
Yeah.
New
Tell us about the
adventure.
book.
New adventure. Well, to say every woman have one problem with man, they say every man cheat, right? So me a teach you now how to stop that.
Oh, nice. Who are you teaching,
That-
the men or the women? You're teaching the women.
How to stop cheating, how to
me a
stop
teach
talking
the
about it.
woman
That's
now how to make your man
How
cheat
to accept
no
it.
more.
Oh, to cheat no more. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So,
So
what
read the
inspired
book
you
and
to
you
do
get the
this?
secret to see the secret to a man's heart. That means
Okay.
that full attention that you want,
Right.
where his head don't turn nowhere.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
You keep that focus.
Right.
You can put the visor on your man.
Was it your wife that asked you to write this book?
No.
Because you're very successful clearly at this.
No,
so.
I'm just advocating for the ladies.
All right.
As a man coming from the man point of view,
Where can we get the book?
you can go on Amazon and pre-order the book.
Nice.
It will be out April 12. Paperback and ebook
Okay.
will be available. And it's a romantic novel. It's not a, you understand?
All
It's
right.
not a bio, it's not an autobiography.
It's not an autobiography.
No, it's not an autobiography.
Okay.
So, you understand? It will be a book about, a lot of debating will take place.
Right.
All right.
And what's wonderful as well is that you are on the Buju Banton show that's happening in Barbados, which is amazing. So we'll talk a little bit about that when we come back, because you're going to sing a song for us.
Yeah.
Yes?
Better life.
All right, best of life. All right,
Better
take
life.
it away and we'll come back and join you in a second.
Sure. The secret.
Yagayo. My house now have a big like the ones a Malibu, but me need me one a place, one room or even two. Every morning me have to say me hallelujah. Remember when me couldn't buy a bungalow Kalalu, but still I will live here because of that I carry me through. Now go mixing all the evil man I do. Life is a road but it have many avenue. It's a reminder in case you never knew what I say. All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. Food to eat, clothes to wear, and a place to sleep at night. All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. A better life, a better life, a better life. After me, pay me mortgage, pay me bills, me pay me tax. You make promise and tell me lies and tell me crap. See me a road, you drive past and you no stop. But remember, rain don't fall for one man, no stop. Now look for handout, now look for give. Now look a plate of food a ride nor a live. See a youth a hustle down, call the sheriff. Another youth a try rise from the ditch. What I say? All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. Food to eat, clothes to wear, and a place to sleep at night. All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. A better life, a better life. A better life. Me not be a jacuzzi and marble floor. I know white picket fence with the latest decor. Even if me house a dep on the seashore, I fi give thanks me not sleep out a door. Cause you know things not pretty me child. I fi work hard and double the mile. So even if me can't walk with a Kyle, every day me have to walk with a smile. What I say? All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. Food to eat, clothes to wear, and a place to sleep at night. All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. A better life, a better life, a better life. Choo! All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. Yeah, food to eat, clothes to wear, and a place to sleep at night. All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. A better life, a better life.
Yeah.
A
Better life.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey! Me I come on the concert, you know. Me I come on Barbados too, you know.
Have to.
Me I
27
come.
April.
What?
Barbados live, low.
What me did there?
Big up Butcher Banton, long walk
VIP.
to freedom, you
Pop,
know.
pop, 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 pop.
Real legend.
One
Yeah.
thing. Maximum respect in Anthony B. Blessings, my general. Blessings.
It's my first time seeing you perform, and yo, Malcolm, that was amazing.
Me have to tell her to take out her phone and I say, watch the money up on the
He
stage.
said, yo,
in the
and I was
normal.
like, all right, let me see how I go on. And I'm like, yes!
All right, thank you very much. That's it. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Catch us back after Champs with much more buzz, chat, vibe.
No show
and
next
what?
week.
Mix.
Champs, next
Yeah,
week,
next
no
week
show. The next
Catch you back
week.
afterwards.
Yeah.
See you, bar. Champion.
All I'm working for is a better life. A better life. A better life. A better life. Yeah. All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. Food to eat, clothes to wear, and a place to sleep at night. All I ever wanted, all I'm working for is a better life. A better life. A better life. A better life. Yeah.